people, my name is Uche Uchika. I am the host of the Hustle Wella Show. So we're about to start a very interesting challenge that will enable people showcase the things they have been doing to earn a living throughout this COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown period, and it is called the Show Your Hustle Challenge. Now, to participate in this challenge, record a short video of your hustle during the lockdown, upload that video to Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and tag Hustle Wella and Uche Uchika. The challenge will run for 7 days, starting from the first day we get our first video entry, and now 7 videos with the highest engagement will be selected for the giveaway prizes of airtime, makeup sessions, Ankara top, face masks, gift bags, organic skincare and hair care products. Now the terms and conditions is that you must subscribe to Hustle Wella YouTube channel, and again, when you're uploading your video on social media, you have to use the hashtags of Show Your Hustle Challenge, Hustle Wella Show, Hustle Wella and Uche Uchika. Let the challenge begin. Show your hustle, Hustle Wella, show your